If you're a parent of a tween daughter, you need this kit. Because let's be real, the thought of your daughter starting her period at school, at practice, at a sleepover, and not knowing what to do, that's every parent's worst nightmare. And we get it, there isn't exactly a handbook that teaches girls what's happening with their bodies or parents how to help prepare them. That's why Scarlet by RedDrop created this kit, to make that first experience comfortable and confident and stress-free for both of you. And now RedDrop has officially rebranded to Scarlet by RedDrop, and their new period kit is now better than ever. Same exact trusted products with all new packaging and a few extra educational tools to help you prepare your daughter for that experience just a little bit better. Let's take a look. Alright, so this is the entire kit. It comes with 36 total pads in 4 different sizes, 5 hygiene wipes, 1 to-go bag, and 1 bathroom pass. Let's start with the pads. This is size 1, our lightest protection pads. These are perfect for any of her lighter days. So if she's spotting a little bit, maybe there's a little bit of discharge, anything like that, it holds about 1 to 2 teaspoons worth of liquid. And it's super light, you can barely feel that it's there. And let me just say this right now, all of the pads are ultra soft, they're leak-proof, they're pediatrician and mom approved, and they're free of bleaches, dyes, and any fragrances. Then we have the size 2 pads. These were made for moderate protection and regular flow days. They're great for school days if she's able to access the bathroom maybe a couple times throughout the day. They're still super soft and breathable and designed to keep her comfortable and dry during sports, class, any after-school activities. And these pads hold about 2 to 4 tablespoons of liquid, about 1/4 cup of flow. And the best part is because they are made to fit tween bodies, you can't even see them under leggings. Moving on, we have the size 3 pads, and these are the heavy protection pads. These were made for heavier flow days or when bathroom breaks might be a little harder to come by. Each of these pads holds up to 12 tablespoons worth of flow, which is about 3/4 cup of liquid. That's a lot of liquid. So they're super absorbent, they're odor wicking, and they also are extra sticky so they don't move around when she does sports or any other activities. And lastly, we have the maximum protection pads. These hold up to a whopping 1 cup of liquid. These are perfect for if she has a really heavy flow or for overnight. They're also built with 2 sets of wings, so they're made to really stay in place and are extremely anti-leak proof. These by far offer the most coverage and absorbency, and they're perfect for sleeping the night without worrying about any leaks. So regardless of how heavy or light your tween's flow is or what stage of her cycle she's on, there is a pad that is going to be designed and fit exactly for her. Next up, we have the Hygiene packs. It's a pack of 5 flushable hygiene wipes. They're fragrance-free, they're gentle, soothing, and perfect for staying fresh on the go. They're great for when she's not at home and might not have access to the same supplies that she's used to having, and so when she's out, she can still feel confident and clean. Then we have the bathroom pass. This is my personal favorite. It's just a little card, the same size as a credit card or ID. The purpose of this pass is to discreetly tell a teacher that you need to use the restroom. When you're on your period and your teacher says no, you can't use the restroom, it is one of the most stressful things, and this pass prevents that. Your tween can give this to her teacher to discreetly tell them that she needs to use the restroom. When they get the card, they'll read it and understand the situation, and they'll let your tween use the restroom. Then we have this adorable to-go pouch. First, I'm in love with this color and this iridescent pink, and I'm pretty sure your tween is gonna love it too. It has a little zipper so she can fit whatever product she might need to in here. I'm just gonna put in a few pads, a couple wipes, a bathroom pass, and there's still plenty of space to put more. It's the perfect size for backpacks, for her sleepover bag, for her locker, so she can be prepared wherever she is. Not to mention, it's also waterproof and discreet and absolutely adorable. And last but not least, there's this little insert that comes in the bag. Moms, dads, caregivers, this little booklet is going to save you. It's not only your guide to your Scarlet period kit, but it's also a guide to help your tween know what to expect when she starts her period. From cramps to mood swings to breakouts, from how to talk about it, affirmations she can say, and an annual period tracker to track her flow. It also comes with a bunch of really cute stickers. There's also an 8-part video series that comes with this kit. Figuring out how to talk to your tween about all of this stuff can feel a little overwhelming, and this 8-part video series walks you through exactly that. How to talk about puberty, what to expect from your period, different pad sizes, everything that she may need to know. What I love most about Scarlet by RedDrop is that the products are not just products, it's actually giving you the resources and materials you need to help prepare your tween for one of the biggest transitions in her life. It can be a stressful time, but when she has the resources, support, and education to feel confident, it doesn't have to feel stressful. So if your tween hasn't started her period yet, this kit is the perfect kit to make sure that she's ready and that you are too. You can get the Scarlet by RedDrop kit directly from our website. Confidence starts here with Scarlet by RedDrop.